Mine started.
Mine is too.
So Megan, how's it going?
Good.
So what did we do today?
We ran. It's like 4 miles. Dead serious. It's
Yeah, at least.
Not 2.
At least. It's not 2.5.
That was unexpected.
And then what did we do after we ran?
We jumped in the 65-degree pool.
It was pretty cold.
And then we were dancing.
Pretty darn cold.
And then we were dancing to Miley Cyrus song. Something I swore I'd never
Hold down,
do.
throw down. For like 2 hours at least. Working on perfecting it.
I
have to speak for Megan right now because she's having hiccup problems.
I can't stop.
And we're going to eat some popcorn. Yummy. And we're going to watch this movie. Wait.
And we're going to be like, whoa. And then we're going to be like, whoa. And then we're going to be like, oh.
And then we're going to be like, quoting the movie. Because we're like amazing like that. Okay, so we're going to go watch our movie now. Hopefully Megan gets over her hiccup. Bye.
So me and Megan just went running, and we're really hot, so we're gonna go jump in the pool again.
You should show them your blisters.
Yeah, and look at, I got blisters in a really weird place. No, hold on, let me get this one's better foot. Look at that. Who gets blisters there? Somehow I do. But yes, we're gonna go jump in this thing again. And hopefully it'll be a little bit better of a video than yesterday.
So Megan, what's the twist to what we're going to be doing today in the pool?
Okay, yesterday we jumped out really, really fast. So today we're punishing ourselves, and we have to stay in there for 10 seconds at least before we can get out.
Yeah, this is going to be intense stuff, you guys, because yesterday it was, what, like
65 or 67.
65. It was pretty cold, so, yeah. Oh, so scared. now it is Kayla that has hiccups. See how she likes it.
Hold on, it'll come in a minute.
So.
So I got the strawberry slush.
Ooh,
Yeah.
Megan's got her apple juice slushie.
Tasty.
Looks pretty yummy. It's pretty good, huh?
These are bad.
Yours are louder than mine.
I